Great, thank you. So Yağmur, can you answer me about this? It's nice to meet you.
Too.
Very good. So who is she?
She is my mother.
Very good. Who is he?
He is my grandfather.
Yes. Tell me about her. Nasok, tell me about her.
She is pretty.
Very good. Is she young?
No, she isn't.
Very good. So can you read this?
It is green. It is a rectangle. What is it? It is a book. It is white. It is an oval. What is it? It is an egg. It is yellow. It is a diamond. What is it? It is a kite. It is pink. It is a heart. What is it? It is candy.
Very good. Perfect.
Goodbye.
Thank you.